Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to install the Brave browser on your Google TV. Let's begin. Unfortunately, the Brave browser is not available on the Google Play Store for Google TV, so you'll need to install it manually using an APK file. This means you'll have to download the APK yourself and store it on an external drive, like a USB flash drive, and then plug it into the back of your TV. To make things easier, we've already done the work for you. You can find the Brave browser APK download link in the video description. Alternatively, you can visit the APK Mirror website and search for Brave Browser APK for Android TV and download it from there. Now, to install the APK file, make sure your external drive is plugged into your Google TV. Next, you'll need an app called File Manager Plus, which you can download for free from the Google Play Store. Open File Manager Plus, and you'll see all the files stored on your USB drive. Locate the Brave Browser APK file and select it. You'll see a prompt asking if you want to install or update the application. If Brave Browser is already installed, your existing data will not be lost. In my case, Brave is already installed, but I'll install it again to show you the process. Click Install, and the installation will begin. Be patient, as it may take a few moments. Once the installation is complete, from here, open to launch the app. When Brave opens, you'll see the welcome screen. You don't need to set it as your default browser if you don't want to. This just confirms that the app is installed and working properly. And that's it. Brave browser is now installed on your Google TV. Thanks for watching.